today we are having Madhur Bansal, who have recently completed his internship as a software developer in ClearTrip. So Madhur, introduce yourself.
Hey guys, myself Madhur Bansal. I am currently working as a software developer in Clear2 Private Limited. I completed my graduation from Chitkara University this year only.
Okay, so have you applied in ClearTrip as off campus or it was campus placement?
It was a campus placement. This in our college it comes every year.
Okay, so what was like procedure? How many technical rounds were there, and how many HR rounds, and what were the difficulty level?
The difficulties level I would say was moderate. There were two technical rounds and one HR round.
Okay, so what kind of questions they have asked? Like it was a data structure or like a resume based interview?
Firstly, in first round, mostly the questions asked were based on data structures and some algorithms also. In the second round, it was purely based on projects and what projects you did. Tell them. We need to tell them about that and how did you solve specific problems in that. So that was all about it.
Okay, so what was the internship period? Was it a 6 month or like a 1 year?
It was a 1 year internship.
Okay, so like during this one period, like on what technology you have worked and what you have learned during this 1 year period?
So mostly I was involved with backend development in Spring Boot. My main tasks were creating REST APIs, which we used along with frontend and as well as for our backend services also. So and like we were migrating from an old systems to new systems. So there were many new projects I got my hands on at that time and like we made a booking system for air from scratch and a cancellation system also. So that were pretty interesting projects.
Okay, so there was a training given for you for this, or you have to learn by your own?
It was like at the starting we were given a 15-day orientation, and after that we were shifted in our teams based on like they saw in my resume I had done some projects in Java, so they asked me if I wanted to go into backend development. I didn't have an idea of Spring Boot at that time, that much idea. So I said, okay, I'll try something new. And the guys who had experience in front end went to front end teams. Some data science students were also there who went in data science teams. So yeah, we were divided in teams like that. And after that, a mentor was assigned to all of us, under which we worked for a little while, and then we were given projects.
Okay, so any obstruction you have faced during this internship period?
The mentors given are not like they are not teachers, right? So the spoon feeding thing is gone. Out of college, the spoon feeding thing is gone. You have to do most of the things yourself. You have to learn also. You have to see how the specific technology works. You have to you have to understand the end-to-end process, how it is working. So yeah, it's a pretty much roller coaster ride at the start, but everything is fine a little time by then.
Okay, so what was the difference between learning at ClearTrip and a college?
The attention to detail at a company is very much, and we don't do that much attention to detail at college. So we mostly think on a high level in college, but when we come to a company, according to industry standards, we have to change ourselves, and we have to uh, put a lot of thinking in small things also. So that's something that comes from companies only. So yeah, that is a big learning difference.
So you were placed at Bangalore, right?
Yes, I was placed at
So
Bangalore.
do you like Bangalore? What are reviews in Bangalore?
If you can't be patient, don't come to Bangalore. I would say it's a lot of traffic there, but I really feel it's a great place to learn. You find a lot of like-minded people. You see, it's an IT hub, so there are a lot of meetups. You can meet people, and they are pretty good people. I would say many developers are there, very knowledgeable developers. So you get to work in a community, and so it for a career perspective, it's a really good city to be there.
Okay. So you do coding also? Coding practice daily on daily
Yes.
basis. So in which language you prefer for coding?
So mostly my work is in Java, but some work is in SQL also, some work in JavaScript also. Like when we integrate technologies, so we have to work on everything. So you need to know little bit of everything. But my main work has been on Java only.
Okay. So do you have any suggestion for the newbies who are going to join ClearTrip and who are preparing for the interview of ClearTrip?
Keep your basics clear. It really helps. If you have good data structures and algorithms, uh, good understanding of the algorithms, it really helps. And you have some good projects. And if ideally it would, in an ideal case, if you have a project that anyone can use, it is a great deal to have. You may I had a project. It was attendance registration system only using IoT. So some projects that everyone can use and can be implemented in real life also, they are pretty great. And they make a they look a great deal to companies also. You had a vision, you actually made something useful. So you can start with data structures. Absolutely, start from the basics only. Never jump to projects directly. Start from the basics only, because basics are the key to everything. All the companies will have data structures and algorithms. So yeah.
Okay. So you want to share anything like anything for the students who are preparing for placement for a third year or fourth year students?
Uh, in an internship wise, I would say, don't get discouraged so quickly. Placements take time. If you lose hope, it comes down to you entirely. So if you lose hope at a good time, then it's pretty bad. But I would really recommend the students of 2021 batch to prepare and make to improve their skill set right now, because we know the situation right now. There is very little hiring being done. So I would say, uh, take this time to make your skill set better.
Yeah, and learn new
Don't
things.
think, yeah, this time is for making skill set better only. You don't want to get into corporate at this point of time. And if you are getting offers, it's very good. You are lucky if you're getting offers. But if someone is not, then they should really work on their skill set right now, because it is golden time right now. We know that the hirings are not being done. So many experienced people are out there searching for jobs right now. So be hopeful, be practical. It will next year the jobs will come, but right now, if you work on the skill set, you will have a head start only. So yeah, if someone is watching this who is going to graduate next year, next year, work on your skill set only. That's the key.
Okay. So there is any suggestion or review for us?
Regarding ClearTrip, I would say it's a really good company to work in, a great environment. So I would, if someone has an opportunity, they should really go for it, I would say.
Okay. So there is any question for us?
Raj, first of all, you are doing a great work, dude. Thank you. And I would really want to see your projects, man. And regarding anything what I would ask. Uh, yeah, you are doing a great job. It's amazing.
Thank you for being a part of a lockdown learning. Thank you
Okay.
everyone for watching this video.